In this video I will show you how to remove radio unit on Volkswagen Passat B6 from 2006 to 2010 in 4 simple steps. You just have to use a trim tool to remove the frame, the plastic frame. So you can find the trim removal toolkit in the video description below. So we will start with removing the plastic frame using a trim tool. Then you have to disconnect the cables from the frame. You just have to press on those 2 tabs. Then you have to remove those 4 T20 Torx screws. Then take the radio unit out and disconnect the antenna and the cables from the back. So remove the antenna cable pressing on that small tab. And then you have to remove the cables. So you have to press on that and then pull it out. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.